Okay, hi foodies! Back in the chuck wagon, we're gonna do some chicken thighs today, but we're gonna make them in the oven at 350, and we're gonna make barbecued chicken thighs. Right here I have some chicken thighs, 3 nice sized chicken thighs, and I don't have any bones in them because I take them out and I take the skin off, but I leave just a little fat on there so we get a little flavor. And with these chicken thighs, I'm going to put them on the pan in the oven, okay? But before I put them on the pan in the oven, I'm cooking them for about 40 minutes at 350 till they're done nice. I'm going to put them in this bowl and mix it all together. I have some brown sugar, paprika, garlic. I also have some salt, right? And I have all of these spices in here. Then I am going to, with a little bit of the black peppers also here, I'm going to mix these all together and then get it onto our little pan and roast them in the oven. And then when it comes towards about the last 10 minutes, I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on top and finish them off. Bubbly, delicious, barbecued in the oven, chuck wagon style, because I like to do things chuck wagon style here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. And we all love you all and thank you all, and thanks for subscribing, and tell your friends, come to see Chef Pete, because Chef Pete will help you save money for thrifty cooking and make it easy when you get together at the table and all that you eat, the food and the great tasting things that we make. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, Pete out.